ever encountered a scenario where you have a burp state that contains all the explored API endpoints of a website and you want to conduct a burp scan, but the JWT authorization token has expired? In such a scenario, the scan would not produce accurate results due to the expired authentication token. Here our challenge is we have to replace the expired authorization token with the newly generated token for all requests. However, we cannot use the Burp Suite Match and Replace feature for this purpose, because the Burp Suite Match and Replace feature only works with the active proxy. Let's discuss how we can automate this task by combining a custom burp extension and session handling rule. First, install the Match and Replace Session Action Burp extension from the B App Store, then activate the extension and make sure it is loaded without any errors. Once you successfully activate the extension, a new tab will appear on the Burp Suite toolbar menu. Now add a match and replace rule in the extension using the regular expression format. In the replace input field, add the newly generated token, which can be obtained from the login endpoint manually. Adding the match and replace rule alone is insufficient. We should add a new session handling rule in the Burp Suite, which invokes this burp extension and makes it functional. To add a new session handling rule, click on the settings and then navigate to the session handling rule section. Add a new rule by clicking the add button. In the rule actions, select the Invoke a Burp extension option in the drop-down menu, and then select the Match and Replace extension. After that, select the tool scope usage and the target scope URL. Observe the authorization token will automatically update and get a successful response from the server. Now we can scan all the APIs with the updated authorization token. If you find this information helpful and learn something new, please like the video and subscribe for more Burp Suite tips in future videos.